What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna see Italian beard style done with the hairstylist. It's just a regular hairstylist, he's not a specialist with the beard, but I think it's very good. So we're gonna see the difference between him, a professional barbershop, and then we're gonna compare it to the way I do it. It's done. I think it's pretty cool. I love the fade here. Look how up it went. Sfumatura super alta dietro l'orecchio che sfuma fino a giù. Super clean around. I think it did a pretty good job. Very hard to do this at home by yourself, but I'll try. I'll see what I can do, and then we'll compare it to a professional barber that does all of this. So we'll see the difference. But I think to me, this is a 9.5 if I have to give it a vote. Peace. See you in the next one.